To cancel subscriptions on your iPad, first we'll find the App Store. From here, tap your profile on the top right corner, and then go to Subscriptions. Here you'll see all your active subscriptions that were started through your Apple account, meaning all the subscriptions you signed up for using Apple's in-app purchase system. There's a list of active and inactive subscriptions, and there's two kinds. Automatically renewing subscriptions, which is the most common type, but you might also see subscriptions like this one here, which was an annual subscription and it's soon expiring, unless I go in and manually renew it. To cancel a subscription, choose it from the list, and then tap Cancel Subscription. If you have subscriptions paid outside of Apple's system, they won't show up here. Things like Netflix, Spotify, Amazon, or other similar subscriptions that you didn't sign up for using your Apple account. For those, it's best to go to their website, log into your profile settings, and cancel subscriptions from there. If you scroll to the bottom of the subscriptions menu, you can choose whether you want to share the subscription with family members, assuming you're using family sharing on your device. You can also toggle email receipts on or off from here. I like the email receipts because it's a good monthly reminder of what I'm paying for. Hope that helps. Leave a comment if you have any questions and subscribe for more easy guides like this.